Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky door hinge. So this squeaky bathroom door hinge has been driving my wife nuts. She's been wanting me to fix it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll show you how to do it. It's a pretty simple fix, and you probably have what you need laying around in your medicine cabinet. I've done this a lot of times, and it works well. Let's get into it. So to fix this squeak, what we need to do is grease this hinge pin, and we're going to do that with some petroleum jelly. Now to do that, we need to get the pin out of the hinge, and in this situation, first we need to get this bottom cap off. Sometimes you will have one of these. So you can get that off just by pulling it off. Sometimes you could use some pliers, just be careful that you don't scratch it. Or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Again, just be careful that you don't scratch it and put it in there. And pop that bottom part off. And you want to do this just one hinge at a time and keep the door shut. That'll help keep it in place when you take the pin out. So to get this pin out, you can use a screwdriver or a nail or a punch like I'm going to use. Anything long and skinny to get up in there and knock that out. Then what I'm going to do is wipe this pin off really good with a rag. And if you want, you can even take a Q-tip and clean up in this hinge. You can see how dirty that is. Then take your pin and apply some petroleum jelly to it, or Vaseline, whatever you want to call it. Just get a nice smooth layer all around that. Then we can tap it back in. Then put the bottom cap back in. Then do the same thing to your other hinge or hinges. You can also see the amount of dirt and steel shavings that came out of the bottom here. That was definitely contributing to the squeak. And that's it. Squeaky door no more. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.